All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is 5.4F, order of operations or simplifying expressions. Real simple. Now we're going to go ahead and look at PEMDAS. Anytime you see a problem like this, PEMDAS, okay. Remember, these two go together. Multiplying and dividing go together. Your step number one will be your parentheses or brackets. Number two is your exponents. These two are 3 and these two are 4. Okay, now looking at this, let's go ahead. Do we have a parentheses or brackets? We do. We have both. We have a brackets here and then we have brackets here. Well, inside these brackets, we have parentheses. We got to do those first because those are the most inner things. So 5 minus 2, that gives us 3. Remember, you put the parentheses right there because it's next to a number. Okay, we'll do 10. And remember, put your brackets again, divided by 2. Now, this is where I see a lot of you guys having issues. Because there's no sign right there, whenever you have a group of parentheses next to a number, you have to multiply. 3 times 3 gives us 9 plus 10 brackets divided by 2. Again, simple. Now, do we still have brackets? Yeah, we do have brackets here. So we still have to do this first. Well, what's inside there? We don't have any multiplication or division. We got adding. So we'll do that first. 10 plus 9 gives us 19. Now you get rid of the brackets. We'll go ahead and do divided by 2. All right. Well, let's go ahead and do that. 19 divided by 2. I know 2 can't go into 1, but it can go into 19. How many times? I'm going to do 9. 9 times 2 gives us 18. Gives us a remainder of 1. Well, let's see. Let's add a 0. Add a 0 right here, or a decimal, sorry. Decimal, move down my 0. How many times can 2 go into 10? That'll be 5. Gives us 10. Gives us 0. 0 out. My answer is 9.5. Simple as that. All right, guys.